Hello guys, yan, nandito ako sa trabaho. So binigay ito ng aking katrabaho, hard drive at phone S21 at 1 terabyte hard drive. So uuwi na tayo ngayon at i-back up natin to sa bahay. So kung magwi-weekend na, ngayon ay Friday. So back up natin to sa bahay. May trabaho tayo ngayon. So tara, uuwi tayo sa bahay. So siyempre ibang trabaho to. Kailangan natin itong gawin. I-transfer yung mga files. Kailangan nyo lahat ng PDF, mga picture. Siyempre ipa-private natin yung mga picture na hindi natin papakita sa ating vlog. Yan, let's go. At weekend na bukas. Happy weekend tomorrow. And sa Monday na ulit ng pasok. May klase na ulit ako sa Lunes. Let's go! Let's G! Ay, kahit sa Finland pinagkakatiwalaan tayo. Basta nakita nila yung YouTube ko at sinabi ko na nagre-repair ako. At least tulungan natin. Libre lang po ito. Wala tong bayad. So tara G, at sa bahay na tayo. Kakain muna tapos mamaya natin gagawin. Let's go! Hello guys, yan. Nandito na tayo sa bahay. So nakauwi na tayo. So makikita nyo dito may laptop tayong dalawa. So, ito yung pinapa-back up sa atin. Ito yung binigay ng ating katrabaho. So kapag ganitong nabigyan kayo ng chance na may humihingi sa inyo ng tulong, bigyan nyo ng tulong kasi ito po ay libre lang, kaya huwag natin ipagdamot. Kung kaya natin gawin ay gawin natin at huwag na po tayong humingi ng pera kasi madali lang po ito gawin to. Papakita ko lang sa iyo kasi sayang din to, content din to. So medyo may basag na yung kanyang yung kanyang screen protector. Ay, buhay pala to. So ang unang gagawin nyo kapag gusto nyo mag-transfer at nagbigay ng paglalagay ng pagkokopyahan ng files, unang gagawin nyo ay pag may mga taong gusto magpakopya ng ganon, tingnan nyo yung cellphone kung okay, open nyo, power on, and tanggalin yung mga ganito, protection cover, double check up kung walang damage yung phone para sure kayo na hindi kayo magkakaroon ng problema kasi mamaya pag binigay sa inyo yung phone may damage pala at hindi nyo na-check. And yung hard drive din dapat checkin nyo, baka may basag. And pwede nyo mga test kung may dala kayong computer or nasa harapan nyo yung computer or pumunta sa shop nyo or sa bahay nyo, testingin nyo agad. So i-plug in nyo lang, testingin nyo kung gumagana yung hard drive. So yun yung mga unang-unang gagawin. And mayroon tayong cable dito. Ayan. Ganyan. So dito tayo magkokopya sa ating Windows laptop. Itong Mac kasi medyo mahirap yung Mac. So yun, okay yung hard drive. Nag-read siya. Open natin. Okay, 1 terabyte. 2 terabyte pala to. 1.81. Okay. So gagawa lang tayo ng folder dyan maya. And isunod natin yung phone. Okay siya, nag-read siya. Yung phone naman ang testingin natin. Plug in natin. So ganito lang pong gagawin natin. Kailangan lang ng laptop, ng USB cable, depende sa sa type ng phone, depende kung anong gamit na phone. O minsan kasi may micro USB, di ba? Yung mga lumang phone. So yung mga bago ngayon C to C na, pero itong ang gamit ko C to USB type. Ito dito C to C. C from cellphone, then to MacBook ay C din. Dito naman sa Windows, meron din siyang C, pero dito tayo gagamit sa type USB 3. Okay, plug in natin. So kapag ganitong nag-plug in, nakita nyo nagcha-charging and nag-show na doon sa phone, sa laptop natin, sorry. So lapit natin yung camera. So hindi ko masyadong malakasan yung boses, nakadikit na ako sa camera para malakas yung boses natin. Para clear na clear yung voice kasi tulog pa si Angie and si Ate Amorto. They are sleeping. So we need to open this PC and we will check if the phone is reading. So the phone is there. Yan, Tagalog na lang pala tayo, sorry, napapa-English ito, Ovidia S21 Ultra. Open natin. Ayun, nandun naman. So kapag ganun na nag-read na, okay yan. Kasi minsan hindi siya nagre-read dahil dito. I-swipe natin. Ayan. So papakita ko sa inyo. Yan, makikita nyo. Sa mga phone natin, may mga settings na ganyan. Kapag hindi nag-read yung yung phone natin sa laptop. Obidya, can you watch this? Maybe sometimes it happen like this. Maybe when you plug the phone to computer, maybe it happen like this. That's why it's not working to your computer. So this one, when you plug in, then sometimes it goes to charging phone. So when you open from the laptop, then it will not show the files. Then when you change, okay, open this one. When you change here to transferring files, Android Auto or USB tethering, then it will open again. See, we will try it. Transferring files. Yeah, this one. We'll see. And return here and refresh. No. Other one. Sorry. I'm wrong. Okay. Remove. Okay. Yeah, it's there. Plug in and remove. Okay. Transferring files, Android Auto. So, naka-automatic na siya. So, makikita nyo, nandiyan na yung files. So, kapag if the phone is not reading through phone to laptop, it's not reading, it's not recognizing by your laptop, and do this one. So I told you it's happens sometimes. It goes to charging only, transferring image or USB tethering, and always do that. Click that transferring files. Maybe it happens to you. So madali lang naman po mga trabaho. This is easy work. So just copying and copy and paste. So let's go again to the. So nag-English tayo kasi para maintindihan nung yung ating kaibigan natin nagpagawa, kasi hindi naman siya pumunta dito sa bahay. Okay, nandun na tayo. Transferring files. Nasa transferring files na tayo. And balik tayo ngayon dito. So ganun lang kasimple ang mag-transfer ng mga files. So depende sa phone nyo. May mga phone na iba-iba yung settings, iba-iba yung ganito. So, depending on your phone. So sometimes it's appearing in your screen only charging phone and transferring files, and sometimes transferring image. So not phone are same. Most of them, the latest phone, but old phone I think it's only transferring files or image. I'm not sure, I forgot. Okay, dito na tayo sa internal storage. So madali lang po mag-transfer ng mga files. So kapag ganitong pinagkatiwalaan kayo ng isang tao, huwag niyong baliin yung tiwala kapag ganitong may mga importanteng files, lalo ka sa mga computer shop. Sa computer shop ko dati, madami na tayong na-experience na nagpakopya ng napakaraming files, computer to computer, hard drive to hard drive, phone to hard drive, phone to phone, phone to laptop, and hard drive to laptop. Madaming klaseng USB to USB, hard drive to USB. Madaming ng klase ng madaming types ng transferring files na kapag humingi ng tulong sa inyo, bigyan ng tulong. Napakasimple lang to. Madali siyang gawin, makain sa oras. It takes time kasi you need to copy a lot of files. So importante yung kokopyahin nyo at wag kayong magdi-delete. Don't delete anything. So you will be in trouble. This one, DCM, this is very important. Open this one. The pictures are here, gallery, image, videos, screenshot. Yan makita nyo, screenshot 1, Some of them may be old folder. You need to open. So there's one video only. And let's see, I think this one, Emilio, this is Obija San, like this. So makikita nyo, ang kagandahan dito sa laptop na pag magkakopya kayo through phone to maganda kapag ang view nyo ay nakaganito. Yan, tiles and details pane, para hindi nagshow yung mga yung mga picture or video. So dapat ganun ang view ng nyo, phone nyo, kasi yung iba kapag may mga private photos, kapag ganito ang view nyo dito, extra, large, medium, lumalabas yung mga picture dito. So ganito yung gayahin yung settings. Tiles sa laptop nyo, ha, tiles, details pane, yan, details pane, basa ng mga Indiano, pane, pine. Okay, so natin to, ilagay natin ang customize natin para mas madali tayo magkopya. So if you want to copy files, do these tricks. Open another Windows and look where is the transferring or hard drive. Okay, create first, show more. This is Windows 11, so that's why the settings are different than Windows 10. Okay, just write what is the folder, S21 Ultra. Okay, double 2, it's okay. And then so dito nyo lahat idadrop yung kukopyahin nyo. Okay, so napaka-simple lang po. And yung hard drive, dapat may cable kayong ganito. Ito USB 3 to, itong type ng cable na to, itong hard drive na to, USB 3. So unang gagawin natin, kopyahin na natin lahat yan, kasi baka may another tips pala, kapag magka-copy pala kayo, don't do this cut. So let the user of phone, let them to delete their files. So don't copy, cut and paste, just copy. So copy and paste to another location. That's it. Okay, so this one is take times, so depending on the phone size of the files. So let's see how many picture is there, how many files. So device care, so it's copying now, so I will show you something. Storage, so you can see here how many photos, videos, image, and documents. So you need to copy all of them. Yan. Videos 22 GB, image 21 GB. So kapag ganitong 21 GB to, asa 5,000 5,000 pictures, ganyan. 22 22.58 GB, mga ganyan, mga 1,000 videos na mga shorts videos lang. So itong documents 97.74 MB, malilit lang. Malilit lang yung files. So yung apps talaga malalaki yan. Yung application 18.59 GB, so malalaki yan, depending to what software or apps you're using. So system it's normal, it's 14.57 GB. And other files, maybe there's another files or show less, maybe there's another files, I don't know what kind of files is there. So the important is video, image, documents, and also download. So you need to look the download, this one. So, okay, we cannot enter to another location because it's currently running. So we'll check later. I'll show you. Okay, let's see. This is it takes time, 1 hour, and depending on what laptop are you using, or depending on the speed on your laptop. So this one is new laptop. So this one is faster than old laptop. Yeah, Abhijay, I hope you're watching. Sorry sometimes if I'm speak my language because this my content is about all tutorials, but I speak in our language, Tagalog language. So I only activate the what we call that translation in the YouTube settings, but sometimes it's not appearing in the screen. Okay, I hope you watch this video, Obija. So I upload this one. It's okay. It's don't worry. Your files are private. No one can see. Just name, but the picture is not appearing on the screen because my laptop settings. It's tiles, and this is good settings when you're copying files. The pictures, videos, photos, it will not show to the screen, so they can see the names, but the pictures are private. Okay, don't worry. So we'll come back later. So hintayin natin matapos to. Mga 1 hour. So sometimes this is not true. 1 hour, sometimes it's showing there 16 hours, 10 hours. But depending on the size of files, and depending on your, as I said, depending on your computer speed. Okay, let's see later. Antabay lang kayo guys. Maraming salamat sa mga nanood. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching to everyone. Thank you for watching to all my viewers out there. Okay, let's see what we got after this copying. Okay, so we need to copy, download, another download, and let's see, maybe there's movies or music or documents. These documents also are important. Music, photo editor. Let's see what we can copy in this phone to hard drive. Okay, so yan, 16 minutes na yung video natin. Paabutin natin 20 minutes. Pause muna natin. Break tayo mamaya pag malapit ng matapos. Okay po. Thank you for watching. Obija, I hope you're watching in my video. Another content, another money. Okay guys, we're done. So we already copied DCM. So this is our all image. Let's see, let's open. This is the hard drive. Let's see. Okay, we'll check one. So this is the hard drive. Okay, this one touch S21 Ultra, and this is the original location. This is internal storage of S21 Ultra. Let's open if the files are both same. Okay, wait, let's remove. Yeah, it's become remove the USB cable. Allow data. Okay, let's check again. Uy, nawala. Where are you? Na-remove. Buti lang tapos na yung copying. Later, USB transfer files. Let's check again. Where are you? Okay, go there. Go inside the room. Use your tablet. Only 1 hour, huh? Ayun. We got it, baby. Okay. Let's put that phone here, over there. Okay. Let's see, where is the DCM? Okay, DCM another. This original location. This is the hard drive, which we transferred the files. Okay, video, shadow, AliExpress, camera. So camera is a lot of pictures there. Let's see. Ayan, andyan na. And folder. So done. So we need to proceed to the next files. Okay, we need to copy the documents, open the documents. Oh, there's a lot of this is what you want. Bija, this is what you want, like right? PDF and the most important, all your Microsoft Office. Okay, let's fast forward the video kasi hahaba na yung video natin. Copy, okay, and the next is download. Oh, it's faster because the size is MB only. Okay, this one PDF also, I think it's bigger than documents. Copy and paste again, paste, just like that. Copy and paste. Don't do this, guys. Wait, we cannot proceed another copying. Yeah, it's okay now. Don't do like this. Don't do this. Don't try this ever. Cut and paste. No, don't ever do that, because once you cut and paste, it will remove to the phone. So the owner maybe will ask, where's my original file? So it's better to keep the original, and there's copy also. Both are there. Oh, yeah. Okay na. Dapat 2 copies meron kayo. Isa sa phone and another one in hard drive or kahit anong storage kayo meron or USB. So dapat may kopya kayo doon, okay? Okay, tapos na yan. Yung ganun lang. So I hope you follow what I'm doing on this video. Okay. Yon. Okay, we're done. Okay, done. Download is there. Yeah, and okay, we're done. So that's it. So when someone asks for help like this, just help them, because this is easy work. It's not hard. So Bija, thank you so much for trusting me. Guys, the owner of this phone and hard drive is our friend. We are working in the same place. I just help her. I hope you learned a lesson from this video, and I'll upload next time more videos. And I'm sorry if I spoke our language, Tagalog language and English mixing language. I'm sorry, guys, but sometimes we need to have to we need to. So I hope you learn from this video. We're done, and that's it. And if you like this video, guys, don't forget to hit the like, share, and hit the bell button for more updates in my latest video. So we're done. We need to exit this one, and we will return this video now. We will return this phone and hard drive to here on to Bija on Monday. That's it. We're done. We're over. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. And bye bye. See you to our next vlog. Thank you so much. Okay guys, ihatid na natin ito sa may-ari, yung ating hard drive at saka yung kanyang phone. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Hatid natin to. Tararan. Nandun siya sa Tacmane. Maghihintay kaysa pumunta pa dito sa bahay. Let's go. So free of charge lang to, guys. Wala pang bayad. Tara, ito na natin siya i-meet. So yan. Kasama. Hey. Doon tayo sa kabila. Hello, Bija. Kitos. Thanks for this chocolate. Sabi mo sa tita. Tati Bija. Wow! Ganda! Ang ganda. Thank you so much for this. So guys, ito yung bigay sa akin. Hindi ako nagsingil ng pera. Ito yung binigay sa akin doon sa ginawa nating hard drive at saka yung phone. Yung transfer ng files kung paano gawin. So yun, maraming salamat guys sa panonood, and thank you for watching. Double layer to. Ayan. Wow! Daming chocolate. Yan, tigis tayo. Sarap. Wait. Kumakain na kami, guys. Wait. Yummy. Kita sa kayo, Nobidya. Okay, baba na tayo. Nakuha na yung kanyang hard drive and nabigyan na natin. Nagbigay ng chocolate. Kasi hindi ako tumanggap ng bayad. Ayun, it's free of charge. It's a friendly work. Ayun, napaganda ng panahon. Umalis na siya. And thank you, Bija, again. I hope you watch this video. And to all viewers out there, thank you very much for watching. And bye-bye. Keep safe. Thank you.